Everybody is looking for that quick fix for coughs. Well, we've got it right here. First, grab a spoonful of honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties that soothe the throat instantly. Next, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, perfect for boosting your immune system. Mix these two together and you've got a powerful duo fighting that cough. For an extra kick, add a pinch of ginger powder. Ginger has anti-inflammatory benefits that'll ease your symptoms fast. Take a spoonful of this natural remedy whenever you feel that tickle in your throat. It's quick, it's easy, and it's right from your kitchen. So, give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Healthy Tips with Jones for more awesome home remedies. Stay healthy, folks.